Hello learners, today we are going to learn the UNESCO's World Heritage Site. As we know, UNESCO headquarters is in Paris, that is in France. UNESCO full form is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. There are total 44 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. They are classified into three categories: cultural sites, natural sites and mixed sites. Let's learn the years of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. In 1983, four UNESCO World Heritage Sites were declared: Ajanta Caves, Ellora Caves, Taj Mahal, and Agra Fort. In 1984, two UNESCO World Heritage Sites were declared. These are Sun Temple, Konark, Odisha, Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu. In the year 1985, three UNESCO World Heritage Sites were declared: Kaziranga National Park in Assam, Kaila National Park in Rajasthan, Manas Wildlife Sanctuary in Assam. In the year 1986, four UNESCO World Heritage Sites were declared: Churches and Convents of Goa, Fatehpur Sikri, monuments at Hampi, Karnataka. In the year 1987, Elephanta Caves, Sundarban National Park, West Bengal. Brihadishwara Temple at Thanjavur. Trick to learn UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the year 1987, हाथी ने सुंदर पत्ता खाया और चूल्हा ओढ़ा. In year 1988, one UNESCO World Heritage Site was declared and that was Nanda Devi. Nanda Devi is a national park in Uttarakhand. In year 1989, Sanchi Stoop in Madhya Pradesh. In year 1993, Humayun ka Maqbara in Delhi, Qutub Minar and its monument in Delhi. In year 1999, Mountain Railways. In year 2002, Mahabodhi Temple at Bodh Gaya was declared place in Bihar where the Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment under the Bodhi tree. In year 2004, two UNESCO World Heritage Sites were declared. These were Champaner Pavagadh Park in Gujarat and Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal in Mumbai. In year 2007, साथ साथ कहाँ जाएंगे? Red Fort. Red Fort, Lal Killa at Delhi, was declared as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. In year 2010, Jantar Mantar of Jaipur. Remember, there are 5 Jantar Mantars in India. In 2012, Western Ghats. Western Ghats चढ़ते चढ़ते 12 बज जाएंगे. Western Ghats, also known as Sayadri Hills. In year 2013, Hill Forts of Rajasthan. There are 6 forts. These were Chittorgarh Fort, Kumbhalgarh Fort, Savai Madhavpur Fort, Jhalawar Fort, Jaipur and Jaisalmer Fort. In year 2014, first is Rani Ki Vav, the Queen's Step Well at Patan, Gujarat. Second is Great Himalayan National Park Conservation Area. In year 2016, 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites were declared: Nalanda University in Bihar, archaeological work of Le Corbusier in Chandigarh, Kanchenjunga National Park, Sikkim. In year 2017, historic city of Ahmedabad. अहम is what? खतरा. खतरा equal to 17. 2017 में अहमदाबाद को यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट घोषित किया गया. In year 2018, Victorian Gothic and Art Deco ensembles of Mumbai was declared the UNESCO World Heritage Site. In year 2019, Jaipur city, also known as Pink City in Rajasthan, was declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site. In year 2021, which is Dholavira, a Harappan city. Second is Kakatiya Rudreshwar or Ramappa Temple at Telangana. 2 UNESCO World Heritage Sites were declared. These were sacred ensembles of Hoysalas at Karnataka and Shantiniketan, West Bengal. In year 2024, Moidam, the Mount, burial system of the Ahom dynasty in Assam, was declared the UNESCO World Heritage Site. In year 2025, Maratha Military Landscapes of India was declared UNESCO's World Heritage Site. India's 44th UNESCO World Heritage Site was declared, and that was Maratha Military Landscapes of India. It comprises 12 forts. 11 forts are in Maharashtra, whereas Jinji Fort is in Tamil Nadu. So here we go. These were the sites. If you like this information, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.